Best Chainsaw Mill. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best chainsaw mills available today. Whether you're a homeowner looking to create custom lumber or a professional woodworker seeking precision cuts, choosing the right chainsaw mill can revolutionize your woodworking projects. Join us as we explore the features and benefits of top-rated mills like the Tuff TMW chainsaw mill and the Granberg Alaskan MK4, offering versatility, durability, and efficiency in transforming logs into usable lumber. Tuff TMW chainsaw mill. Transform your logs into usable lumber with ease using Tuff's TMW 56 lumber cutting guide. This essential tool allows you to create clean-cut boards up to 2 inches thick and 6 inches wide, perfect for various DIY projects. Made from heavy-duty steel with a durable powder coat finish, it ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion, making it suitable for heavy use. The guide measures 8 inches by 2.5 inches by 8 inches, compact enough for easy transportation and storage. Assembly is quick and straightforward, enabling you to start cutting lumber efficiently. By utilizing this guide, you can save money by processing your own logs into valuable lumber for construction or crafting. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, Tuff's cutting guide offers precision and reliability for your woodworking needs. XRKJ Chainsaw Mill. Unlock the potential of your chainsaw with the versatile 36-inch chainsaw mill, transforming it into a portable milling machine. Crafted from durable aluminum and steel, this mill accommodates chainsaw bars ranging from 12 to 36 inches, allowing you to cut planks from 0.5 to 12 inches thick with precision. Its lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability, making it accessible for milling timber both at home and in remote locations. Ideal for homeowners, woodworkers, and carpenters alike, it empowers you to produce your own lumber efficiently. Whether you're enhancing your property or working on woodworking projects, this mill offers flexibility and control over your lumber dimensions. Perfect for milling logs into valuable planks, it's a practical investment for anyone looking to maximize their chainsaw's utility and create custom wood pieces for various applications. Granberg Alaskan MK chainsaw mill. Transform your chainsaw into a powerful sawmill with the Granberg Alaskan MK4 portable sawmill, designed to cut precise planks and beams from 1/2 inch to 13 inches thick. This heavy-duty tool is essential for homeowners, woodworkers, arborists, and sawyers seeking to mill their own lumber with ease. It attaches securely to most chainsaws with a 36-inch bar or less and 70 cubic centimeters or greater displacement, without the need for drilling. The CNC machined billet end brackets ensure minimal vibration and exceptional accuracy, promising durability and precise cuts. Ideal for creating custom wood pieces for construction or crafting, the MK4 portable sawmill is a versatile accessory that enhances the functionality of your chainsaw, making it a valuable investment for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Chainsaw and easy rail system are sold separately for added customization and convenience. Granberg Easy Chainsaw Mill. Achieve precise and level cuts with the Granberg Easy Rail Sawmill Guide System, an essential accessory for the Granberg Alaskan MK4 and small log sawmill, sold separately. This system includes two 60-inch aircraft-grade aluminum rails, for crossbar kits with leveling screws and log dogs, and a connector kit, ensuring stability and accuracy during the initial cut. Designed for logs with a diameter of 8 inches or more and lengths of 4 feet or longer per set, it enhances the functionality of your sawmill setup. Made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the Easy Rail system offers durability and peace of mind. Perfect for woodworkers and sawyers, it simplifies the process of milling lumber by providing a sturdy foundation and precise alignment for your sawmill operations, making it a valuable investment for any woodworking enthusiast. Granberg Alaskan MK4 Chainsaw Mill. Unlock the potential of your chainsaw with the Granberg Alaskan MK4 portable sawmill, a versatile and heavy-duty tool that effortlessly cuts planks and beams from ½ inch to 13 inches thick. Ideal for homeowners, woodworkers, arborists, and sawyers, it attaches securely to most chainsaws without requiring bar drilling, accommodating bars up to 24 inches and engines of 50 cubic centimeters or more. This portable sawmill system is highly mobile, making it perfect for use in remote locations. It can mill slabs up to 12 inches thick and 20 inches wide, offering flexibility for various woodworking projects. The CNC machined billet end brackets minimize vibration, ensuring durability and precise cuts. Chainsaw and Easy Rail system are sold separately, providing customizable options to suit your milling needs effectively. Thank you for watching our guide to the best chainsaw mills. From the portable XRKJ chainsaw mill to the precision of the Granberg Easy Rail system, each mill offers unique advantages for your woodworking needs. Whether you're milling at home or in remote locations, these tools provide the capability to create tailored wood pieces with ease. Choose the mill that suits your projects and enhance your woodworking capabilities today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on your favorite chainsaw mill.